Friends, creating digital products often feels more complicated than it should be. You start with an idea, but somewhere along the way, the momentum fades. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. Today, we're taking a look at SeaVerse, an AI-native platform designed to keep the entire creation process inside a single workspace. SeaVerse positions itself as the world's first AI-native platform that brings creation and development together into a single end-to-end workflow, from idea to a fully runnable product. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's take a look inside. So guys, today, using SeaVerse as an example, we're going to build a simple 2D space shooter. It's a small interactive minigame, and it's a great way to see how the tool brings design and development together. We'll go through the full end-to-end workflow, from an empty screen all the way to a finished product that you can actually share with friends. The entire process is driven through chat. I use the chat to control what's happening, entering prompts directly into the main tool, and interacting with the system using natural human language. Here I describe my idea for a space shooter with a neural-style aesthetic. And this is where one of the key strengths of the instrument becomes clear. It's a multimodal platform, which understands text, images, and code at the same time. Mates, right away it starts generating assets for us. Visual elements like the spaceship and the background. There's no need to open separate photo editors or design tools. Everything you describe in words is immediately translated into something visual and usable. This is what SeaVerse means when it talks about removing creative boundaries. After generation, the workflow moves straight into preview mode. There's no exporting, no waiting, and no switching between environments. The result becomes visible and interactive instantly. You can explore how the product works, how it behaves, and this immediate feedback is critical because it keeps the creative rhythm intact and makes iteration feel natural. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but it helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! You can already see that the game is running. Friends, a preview is the moment when ideas stop being abstract. You can move through interface elements, interact with them, and get a real sense of how the product actually works. Folks, seeing results so quickly encourages refinement and experimentation, instead of long pauses and overthinking. As the project develops, all supporting resources live inside the built-in asset system. This is a centralized space where images, media, and other resources are stored and managed. Instead of scattering files across external folders, everything stays directly connected to the product, which makes updates and adjustments much easier over time. Friends, to go beyond basic structure, SeaVerse introduces skills. This layer represents the functional capabilities of the platform and allows projects to grow in complexity. You can use skills from the community or your own custom skills, connect them, and add them directly to your project. There's a full library with more than 30 available skills to choose from. These skills enable richer behavior and more advanced interactions, helping projects move beyond simple prototypes. Mates, all created projects are collected in the Apps section, which acts as a clean management hub. Current work and completed projects live side by side here. You can reopen projects, refine them, or remove them while keeping everything organized and without adding extra administrative overhead. Once a product is fully finished, the workflow naturally moves into publishing. At this stage, you set the final details, give the game a name, choose visibility settings, and the project becomes accessible. Friends, whether it's published privately or made available to others, this step turns an internal experiment into a real shareable result. At this point, anyone can view the project and access what you've built. Alright friends, let's wrap this up. In this video, we walked through how SeaVerse takes an idea from the first prompt to a finished, runnable product inside one connected workspace. Instead of jumping between tools, everything stays inside a single AI-native environment, helping ideas move forward without unnecessary friction. What makes this especially interesting is how naturally the workflow scales, from quick experiments and demos to more complete, shareable projects, without changing tools or breaking focus. Guys, if you want to go deeper, SeaVerse also has an active Discord community. That's where people share projects, discuss workflows, and explore what others are building on the platform. I have left the Discord link in the description, so feel free to join and take a look around. If you're excited to try it out or have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.